I wish I passed my test. What do you think? Is that correct? No, you're right. It's incorrect. We should say, I hope I pass my test. Or, I wish I could pass my test. Today, we're going to talk about the differences between hope and wish, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand both of them. So let's get into today's lesson. Let's begin with the word hope. Hope is used for something that is good, possible, likely to happen in the future. For a future meaning, we use hope with simple present tense. For example, I hope Tottenham win tonight. I hope we see each other again. I hope everything goes well for you. We can also use hope with past tense. However, it's after the events happened and we already know the answer. So for example, I can say, I hope you got the job. I know you had the interview. I hope you passed your test. You just had your test. Let's move on to wish. Wish is the more complicated one, so make sure you take some notes and listen carefully. Wish is slightly different because wish we use when we really want something to happen, but the likelihood, how likely it is to happen, is pretty much zero. It's impossible, okay? Usually we use wish in two different ways. One way with past tense and one way with past perfect tense. So let's have a look at both of them now. In terms of when wish is used with past perfect tense, we usually use it to express a regret. Something happened in the past and we wish it hadn't happened. So, for example, I wish I had studied harder at school. Maybe I would have a better job. I wish I had studied harder at school. The second example is, I wish I hadn't bought that shirt because I haven't worn it. It was just a waste of money. I wish I hadn't bought that shirt. And when we use wish with past simple tense, it's kind of like saying you wish something was different, but now you want to change something now. For example, I wish I were taller. I'm not that tall, I'm only 175 centimeters tall. But if I was 185 centimeters tall, I think that would be better. I wish I were taller. I wish I were more handsome. I think I look okay, but maybe if I looked better, it would be better generally. And I can say, I wish I earned more money, because everybody wants to earn more money. So I just say it to you as an example. So this is the question for you today that I want you to write in the comments. What do you wish were different? Use wish with past simple tense and tell me in the comments below. If you like the video so far, make sure you give it a like. And lastly, something that can be really confusing is sometimes you may hear wish being used with a word like I wish you the best. It's like a greeting. So when we want to give someone a good wish, we want them to have a better future, sometimes we use the word wish here as well. So for example, I can say, I wish you peace and prosperity. It's a nice greeting you can write in somebody's card at Christmas. You can say, I wish you the best when someone's about to take a test, for example. So that's the only time we really use wish that way. But all in all, I hope you now know the differences between hope and wish. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. And if you want to continue learning, then just click this video here.